This is the 10-year overview reading for ADA, that's Cardano, throughout the 10-year period of 2020 through 2029. It's currently September 8th, 2022, approximately 8:35 p.m. That's Eastern Time. And the price, according to Google, of Cardano is currently 48 cents. So the overall theme and behavior for Cardano, we see big move to the upside, the start of a rally, and a big move higher. This is very, very bullish card to get for a 10-year reading, guys. Very bullish. Very exciting that it's at 48 cents. Oh, wow, and it's crossed with the full card. This is one that's going to make big, big money, guys. Cardano is going to make big money. I'm buying this tonight. Behavior around the high. The 10-year high, we have volatility and a sharp dip that stands out on a 10-year chart within that period of volatility off of the 10-year high. Behavior around the low. The 10-year low, we're going to have an agreement between two leaders or a merger of some kind, acquisition of some kind, an agreement between two leaders that has a big impact on the shares. Generally, there's like a holding pattern when you see this card and then a big move out of it. 2020, we have a key support level and a great opportunity to open up a position. 2021, we had sideways rotation along support, key support, and it's equal amounts of bulls and bears, inflow and outflow. 2022, we have sideways rotation. We rise, meet the nearest major resistance, and then we immediately fall back down to that same support level that we were rotating sideways along originally. 2023, we have a period of volatility that ends with a fast, sudden move to the upside. And a male leader, there's likely some legislation, some legal things in 2023 having to do with the male leader possibly. 2024, we successfully turned resistance into new support. Everything seems to be going really great for Cardano in 2024. 2025, spoke a little soon there. 2025, we have a notable drop from a prominent peak or crest that either forms in 2024 or it forms in 2025, but we fall from it. We have a notable low or prominent trough, I should say, on a 10-year chart that stands out on a 10-year chart here in 2026. 2027, even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds, there's still a big move to the upside. We even break through key resistance on a multi-year chart. We have a failed attempt to break through key resistance in 2028, followed by a decline through key support. And this is again on a multi-year chart. 2029, it looks like we take another crack at breaking through that key resistance from 2028. And people are really expecting us to break through it in 2029. However, we fail to do so. We turn around, we fall back down through key support level on a multi-year chart. Sneak preview, out of a decline. So the following 10 years, so 2030 through 2039, there's a big move all the way from the bottom of a range to the top of a range. Guys, this is a stock that I would like to get into. And it looks like, as far as relationships, interesting. There isn't really anything going on correlating that queen of these two may have something. I mean, they're not a normal congruency, but on a 10-year chart, it could very well be something going on here. There could be a high around here. Behavior around the low. Let's see if we can find a correlation to the Lover's card here. we have the low in 2020. The low for Cardano is in 2020, so that's hugely bullish, even though we can't find the like a real clear depiction of the high. It looks like we probably have a high in 2027, but there's a higher high in in the next 10-year period, and that's Cardano, guys. Super bullish. I'm going to be getting into that ASAP and holding that long term at least to 2024, at least. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends, so you can get all of our predictions, all free. Guys, if you want to get this stuff ahead of YouTube, ahead of TikTok, the earliest place you can get this, it's on our website, tarotfortraders.com. And all of our predictions come out as soon as they're recorded. They come out on our website for members. Otherwise, they're scheduled to come out, you know, in the future, sometimes far in the future. With that said, guys, don't forget about that rule of karma. There's plenty of ways to get back to the channel. Subscribe, share. When you make that money, make sure you send some of that, a little bit of that back this way to help support the channel, so we can keep our unbiased readings by you know, staying out. And most importantly, whatever you do with that money, my friends, make sure you do it out of love. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. I'll see you on the next one.